Hello viewers, Tanima at this end. Welcome to my YouTube handle @justtanima_Barbie. In accord to the previous video on deep work, this video will discuss few more perspectives that were not discussed in the previous video. These include the identifying strategies for tasks that require deep work, strategies to differentiate between tasks that require deep work and those that do not, strategies for avoiding distractions during deep work sessions, some common distractions during deep work sessions, and communication strategies with colleagues during deep work. Stay tuned. How to identify tasks that require deep work? To identify tasks that require deep work, consider the following criteria and strategies. Number 1. Cognitively demanding tasks. Deep work is best suited for tasks that are cognitively demanding, involve complex problem solving, creative thinking, and require intense focus to complete. These tasks push your cognitive capabilities to their limit and create new value. Number 2. Tasks requiring peak concentration. Look for tasks that demand peak concentration and sustained focus for extended periods. Deep work is about engaging in professional activities in a state of distraction-free concentration to achieve high-quality results quickly. Number 3. Tasks with long stretches of sustained focus. Deep work is characterized by longer stretches of uninterrupted thinking and concentration, identifying tasks that necessitate sustained focus without distractions to be completed effectively. Number 4. Complex projects and skill development. Tasks that involve building financial models, writing in-depth reports, developing creative content, or engaging in strategic planning are examples of activities that typically require deep work due to their complexity and cognitive demand. Number 5. Tasks with intrinsic value and impact. Deep work is essential for tasks that have a lasting impact, contribute to skill development, and generate new and valuable outcomes. Prioritize tasks that align with your goals and require deep focus to achieve significant results. By assessing tasks based on these criteria, individuals can effectively identify which activities necessitate deep work to maximize productivity, creativity, and the quality of their work output. How to differentiate between tasks that require deep work and those that do not? To differentiate between tasks that require deep work and those that do not, consider the following key points. Number 1. Cognitive demand. Tasks that involve intense cognitive effort, complex problem solving, creative thinking, and require sustained focus typically necessitate deep work. In contrast, tasks that are routine, repetitive, and do not demand high levels of concentration fall into the category of shallow work. Number 2. Value creation. Deep work is associated with activities that create new value, improve skills, and lead to innovative outcomes. Tasks like researching, writing thoughtful content, analyzing data, and developing strategies are examples of deep work that contributes significantly to personal growth and professional success. Number 3. Flow state. Deep work often leads to a state of flow where individuals are fully engaged and productive. Tasks that require deep work can result in a flow state characterized by complete focus and immersion in the task at hand, leading to increased productivity and creativity. Number 4. Distractions and interruptions. Shallow work tasks are often susceptible to distractions and interruptions, while deep work requires uninterrupted periods of focused concentration. Tasks that can be easily done while distracted or do not require intense focus are likely shallow work activities. Number 5. Time and effort requirement. Deep work tasks typically demand significant time and effort to complete. requiring long periods of uninterrupted thinking and concentration. Shallow work tasks, on the other hand, are often less time-consuming and do not need prolonged periods of deep focus. By evaluating tasks based on these criteria, individuals can effectively distinguish between tasks that require deep work involving intense focus and cognitive effort and tasks that fall into the category of shallow work, which are less demanding and do not require the same level of concentration and creativity. How to avoid distractions during deep work sessions? To avoid distractions during deep work sessions, consider implementing the following strategies. Number 1. Create a deep work-only environment. Designate a specific workspace solely for deep work to minimize distractions. This environment should be free from potential triggers that could divert your attention, such as social media notifications or other interruptions. Number 2. Get rid of distractions. Eliminate distractions that can pull you out of deep work, even seemingly minor ones like checking your phone or responding to notifications. By reducing distractions, you can maintain focus and productivity during deep work sessions. Number 3. Train your focus. Build your ability to focus for longer periods by resisting the urge to engage in low-stimuli activities during idle moments. Strengthen your brain's focus muscles by consciously avoiding distractions and allowing yourself to experience moments of boredom without immediately seeking external stimuli. Number 4. Define matrices of success. Establish clear matrices to measure the success of your deep work practices. Setting specific goals such as writing a certain number of words within a defined time frame can help you stay focused on the task at hand and track your progress effectively. Number 5. Take deep breaks. Incorporate short breaks into your deep work sessions to recharge your mind without losing momentum. Engage in activities during breaks that do not lead to distractions or stress, such as taking a short walk, daydreaming about the task at hand, or completing a quick household task. By following these strategies, you can create an environment conducive to deep work, minimize distractions, enhance your focus, and effectively manage breaks to maintain productivity and concentration during deep work sessions. What are some of the common distractions during deep work sessions? Some common distractions during deep work sessions include: Number 1. Digital distractions. Notifications from smartphones, emails, social media alerts, and browsing the internet can divert attention away from deep work tasks. Number 2. Environmental distractions. Noise, interruptions from colleagues or family members, and high traffic areas can disrupt deep work sessions and hinder concentration. Number 3. Task switching. Engaging in multitasking or switching between different tasks can lead to reduced productivity and cognitive strain during deep work sessions. Number 4. Internal distractions. Internal distractions such as mind wandering, lack of focus, and mental fatigue can impede the ability to maintain deep concentration on a task. Number 5. Physical discomfort. Discomfort due to poor ergonomics, hunger, or fatigue can also act as distractions during deep work sessions, affecting focus and productivity. By being aware of these common distractions and implementing strategies to minimize their impact, individuals can create a conducive environment for deep work, enhance focus, and maximize productivity during intense cognitive tasks. How to communicate with colleagues during deep work? To communicate with colleagues during deep work sessions, consider the following strategies. Number 1. Set clear expectations. Establish clear communication guidelines with your colleagues regarding your deep work schedule. Inform them about your dedicated deep work times and the importance of minimizing interruptions during those periods. Number 2, use status updates. Utilize tools like Slack statuses or calendar events to indicate when you are in deep work session. By updating your status or calendar to reflect your focus time, you can signal to your colleagues that you are unavailable for immediate communication. Number 3, automate responses. Consider automating responses or notifications on your devices to inform colleagues that you are in deep work session. This can help manage expectations and reduce the likelihood of interruptions during your concentrated work time. Number 4, team agreements. Establish team agreements regarding online and offline communication norms, especially during deep work hours. By aligning with your team on communication expectations, you can create a supportive environment that respects each other's focus time. Number 5, cultural agreements. Encourage the adoption of company-wide cultural agreements that emphasize the importance of deep work and set guidelines for effective communication practices. These agreements can help foster a work environment that values focused work and minimizes distractions. By implementing these communication strategies, you can effectively convey your deep work schedule to your colleagues, set boundaries to protect your focus time, and cultivate a work culture that supports deep concentration and productivity. So friends, hope this video in continuation to the previous one can provide further insights into the topic of deep work. Please don't forget to like and share the video and also subscribe to my channel. Here I would like to mention that the links that were used for preparing the video have been pasted in the description box, and if you are interested to look into the details, you might check the same. And I'm sure this video will help you during your deep work sessions. See you soon with yet another video. Until then, do take care, keep well, and bye.